Today I've made Moringa energy balls 3 different ways, and that's what we're going to look at. So welcome to my kitchen. So for this bunch of recipes, I've partnered with the guys at Pura Vida. Now they produce a pure, 100% organic, totally ethical, really vibrant, rich and nutritious moringa. So they're growing in optimal conditions in a rich volcanic soil, and they're really careful to make sure you get the purest moringa that you can. And let's face it, if you're gonna eat something, if you're gonna infuse it into your body, you want to make sure you get the best you can, because it's about you, it's about your health. So I would recommend these guys, Pura Vida Moringa. That's the one I've been using, and it is top-notch stuff. I'm going to make the first batch of Moringa energy balls using mixed seeds. I have pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, flax seed and hemp seeds. You can use any combination that you want. I have about 150 grams in here, and I'm going to put it in a food processor. And then I'm also adding 1 heaped teaspoon of organic cinnamon. And then the magic ingredient, Moringa. Oh wow. I'm going to use about 1 heaped tablespoon of moringa. You can use less, you can use more, you can adjust this to taste. And then before I add the more moist ingredients, what I want to do is blend that down. If you have a really powerful food processor, that is not going to take long at all. If you have a less powerful one, it's going to work just fine. You're just going to need to give it a little bit longer. So I'm going to add 100 grams of organic raisins or sultanas into this, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm also adding about half a teaspoon of finely grated ginger in there. I'm just going to grate that. Half a teaspoon of very finely grated ginger. I'm going to pop the lid on and just whiz it round. And then you're looking for this sort of consistency where everything sticks together nicely. Basically, you want to squish it with your fingers and then roll into balls. How gorgeous is that? We've got a nice plate full of seed and ginger inspired moringa energy balls. The next thing we're going to do is create some nice cashew and maple moringa energy balls. So here's some cashew nuts that I ground earlier. So I'm getting a nice heaped tablespoon of moringa powder, the secret ingredient of the day. Give it a little mix in, and then add maple syrup, a couple of tablespoons. And then you want to mix it all in. And then you might want to use like the back of the spoon to press down and to get everything to come together nicely. And then just get your hands in there. So if you roll in it and it starts to fall apart, just squish it. Squish it, squish it, squish it, all roll together like magic. So if you don't have a food processor, you could use pre-ground almonds or something like that instead of grinding the cashews. In fact, instead of cashews, you could use almonds and it would work really nicely. Moringa and Matcha style energy balls. These are the sort of energy balls that I'm going to make if I'm going to go on an intensive hike. Absolutely delicious. So you want to take the dried ingredients first and then process them together in a food processor until you get a coarse meal. And then you want to add the dates and vanilla extract and blend them up until it's nice and squidgy, and then roll them up into balls. If you want to roll some of them in matcha powder, then just roll them and have fun in the process. Delicious energy balls using Moringa powder. A big shout out to my friends at Pura Vida Moringa. Please do go check them out. My name is Anastasia Eden. My website is kindearth.net. Please do come and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date to all the latest happenings and new videos. Thank you for being here, and bye for now.